Hello and welcome everyone. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, it really helps me. If you want to know how I turned this field painting in a beautiful intergalactic painting, please keep on watching. I'm using 6 colors. First I'm using the metallic gold, a pink, Prussian blue, which is a really dark blue with mixed in with a bit of black, then a white and a purple and a turquoise metallic. As always, I spray my flip cup with silicone spray and then I use a paper towel to spread it out evenly in the cup. I'm using silicone oil in this pour, so I'm putting 1 drop in the metallics and 2 drops in the other paints. I decided to put an extra drop of silicone in the darker paints because I want them to outline the cells. Then it's time to stir the paints really well, because you want the silicone also to reach the bottom of the paint and want it evenly dispersed in the paint mix, because otherwise you get really weird blobs of silicone cells, or you get like the worms or caterpillars, and I don't always like them in my paintings. Then it's time to fill the flip cup, and as always I start with the gold as the first color because I want the metallic to come on top, and then I'm using the pink because I know that turquoise metallic is going to be last, so they are going to be put next to each other, and that's how you get the oil spill effect, is to put the turquoise metallic, the gold metallic next to the pink, and if you have those 3 together then you get the old oil spill look in the cells. As you can see, the cells are quite big before I even use the burner as well. That's a concern for me, because that I know the cells are gonna get wobbly, but somehow I like the effect in the end that it made. I like the space look of it and the big and small cells together. Lost all of your dreams, the night is harder. I should have stopped moving here. Now that I look back at the video, I can see this is beautiful enough, but somehow I didn't like all the turquoise metallic down at the bottom, so I'm moving it again to move off all the turquoise, and that made the cells pull a bit and get a bit pointy, but maybe I like it, maybe I don't, I'm not sure. I wanted to re-pour again, but my boyfriend said it was beautiful enough, so I kept it and I put a layer of varnish on it, and now it's in my living room and I kinda really love it right now. So I'm glad I didn't pour over it. I really like the effect of the oil spill in space that I talked about on my Instagram, and I hope you like it too. Please make sure you find me on Instagram and follow me there to see all the beautiful pictures of my paintings. If you're interested in any of the paintings, all the store links are down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated, and I hope I see you in the next video.